Hello guys, today I will be reviewing this 1.1 scale GeminiJets Boeing 767-300F in the 2003 UPS livery. This will be my very first cargo plane model, as I am eyeing on a couple of cargo planes for a while, but just recently I won this particular model on eBay for around $30, including $5 in shipping. This will be a quick review video in which I will show you the box cover as usual, as well as going over the model in depth. So before I review this model, let me show you the box cover. Here's the bottom, the side, top, the side again, and the back. This is a 2010 model release. And here's the art of box. This is the art logo of the aircraft climbing, whatever we call it. Let's show you the inner flap. Feel free to pause this video so if you want to read this. When you're ready, press play to resume this review video. And here's the model where it used to be, where it was used to be. And now let's review your windshield wipers, pitot tubes. Here's your main door. Look at the detail of the door handles too. And here's the cargo door. There it says Worldwide Services Synchronizing the World of Commerce. Probably back in 2013, they removed the Synchronizing the World of Commerce, and then they simplified it to just saying Worldwide Services. Here's your landing lights. Here's your wing with no step labels. Your nav light. And your engines. 2 engines. Look at the turbine blades. And lovely engine detail. Here's the bottom of the wing. Let me show you the bottom of the right wing as well. Probably same as always. Your nav light. The slight detail is very detailed as well. You have your landing lights as well. And the engines are powered by this 767. It's powered by 2 GE CF6 engines. As shown in the box plate. Here's your rear cargo door. On your left side, here's the registration, November 315 Uniform Papa. Here's your UPS tail. Here's the tail with the UPS logo. That's what I'm trying to say. Please note there's a chip in the left side of the stabilizer, the vertical stabilizer. Same goes to the right side, unfortunately. Please note I got this one used, and there goes the chip again, which is kind of a shame, unfortunately. I mean, I expect the models to be like new, but didn't catch that until I read the description on the eBay. It says expect some chips on from the tail, but oh well. Like they always say, you get what you pay for. So there's no step labels on the horizontal stabilizer. You have your APU. APU detail. And note that the UPS logo, they removed the gradient and just simply probably two color on the 2013 livery update. So lovely detail on the chrome on the edge of the tail, the vertical stabilizer. Now let's go to the. Oh, I almost forgot to show you one flaw here. The tail is about to come out. So again, because this is a used model, I would just have to be very careful with it. So on the right side, you have your larger aft cargo door. And your front cargo door as well. And then you have your pitot tubes for the first officers. Note there's also a small chip in the front of the right side of the plane. You have your beacon on the top. Here's the nose gear door. You have your GeminiJets logo. There's a stand hole. The gears do roll, but unfortunately the main gear bogies, they do not pivot up and down or tilt, unfortunately. And you have your APU access door, and above it probably you see a hump. I don't know what that's called. Probably a unique feature for cargo planes, but I don't know what it's for, but let me know what you think in the comments below. And going back to very detailed gears. Nose gears look really detailed too. And that'll be it for the video, for the review. Please note that very soon I will be making another comparison video. It will be between this GeminiJets UPS 767 and I'll be comparing it with the Witty Wings Air China 767-300 that I have. So please subscribe if you want to look at, if you want to let's see, if you want to, what, I don't know what I'm saying, but anyhow, subscribe for any future content, such as the comparison video between this GeminiJets UPS 767 and the Air China 767 from Witty Wings. So other than that, that'll be the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe on some more unboxing videos of my model aircraft collecting journey, as well as any takeoff and landing videos of various commercial aircraft. So thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and happy and safe flights to all.